Can household bleach should be used on any upholstery? No, you should never use household bleach on upholstery unless the fabric care label or manufacturer explicitly permits it. Upholstery fibers and finishes react differently to sodium hypochlorite-based bleach, so start by checking the fabric identification code on the care label and the manufacturer care instructions. Codes like WS, B, and X correspond to specific cleaning allowances and must be followed. Test in an inconspicuous spot with a diluted solution on a cotton swab and wait at least 15 minutes to observe color fastness and fabric strength before treating a visible area. For natural fibers such as cotton or linen, bleach can quickly remove dye and weaken fibers, so use oxygen-based color-safe alternatives when label allows and rinse thoroughly with plain water after treatment. For synthetic fibers, including polyester and nylon, bleach may alter dye, but sometimes will not degrade strength. Still always test first and avoid prolonged wetting or soaking. For upholstery with foam padding or glued seams, avoid heavy liquid application since bleach can migrate, discolor backing, and dissolve adhesives, causing structural failure. Instead, use spot cleaning with minimal liquid and a wet vacuum to remove residue if permitted. When disinfecting rather than stain removal, consider using manufacturer-recommended disinfectants or steam cleaning at safe temperatures that will not harm finishes or flame retardant treatments. Common mistakes include assuming all light-colored upholstery can handle bleach, which often causes hidden fiber damage and yellowing. The fix is to use color-safe oxygen bleach after testing or consult a professional textile cleaner. Another issue is soaking large areas, which can spread stain rings and dissolve adhesives. Treat only small spots and blot. Do not rub, then extract liquids promptly. A third frequent error is neglecting to neutralize and rinse after any chemical application, which leaves residues that continue to degrade fibers. Always rinse with plain water and blot until no chemical odor remains. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information relevant to cleaning and chemical safety, so we help people make informed choices. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real experience about treatments, products, and trusted service providers.